We had discussed exercise 1.3 till question number 5. Now we'll take up the sixth one, children. Show that a function from this closed interval -1 to 1 to real numbers defined by fx is equal to x upon x plus 2 will be 1, 1, and then you have to find the inverse of the function to its range. Okay, first to check whether it is 1, 1, that we had done in previous exercise. I hope you all remember. We pick up any two entries from the domain, so x1 x2 belonging to the given domain, such that the images are equal. So fx1 we'll assume is equal to fx2. Put it in the definition. This is what you get. Then simplify, solve it to see if you end up getting conclusion as x1 is equal to x2. So the image is same when the pre-image is also the same. Okay, this implies a 1-1 mapping. We had done that. So this is 1-1. This was the first part. Then they were saying you had to find the inverse also. Okay, now for finding the inverse, what have we to do? Also for, now they had given this was already given कि find the inverse इस पर. तो जब उसने ये range of f बोल दिया तो range and codomain becomes the same, and that means the function becomes an onto function as well. Okay, so for this mentioned function, now when they have called this as range of f, it would be onto as well. So a function which is 1, 1 as well as onto, bijectives are invertible. That was the theorem we had studied. Okay, so for inverse of any function to exist, it should be a 1, 1 and onto mapping, bijective. So this function already proved 1, 1 here, and now for this mentioned sets, it is also onto, so it is invertible. And how do we find the inverse? Inverse is nothing but आप x in terms of y जो बनाते हो expression, वो inverse function होता है उसका. Okay, so for inverse what do? We pick up y's are always to be from the codomain or from the range. So y would be belonging, let y be any entry from the range, and then if it is from the range, then naturally it is equal to this definition. So that's the way of writing. You know all these things, children, but it is how you have to express this. This first unit is all about expressing your definitions, I should say. Okay, they are all definition based, but आपको हर question में अपना clarity दिखानी होती है, clarity कि we know the definitions. That's it. Okay, so way of writing really counts here. So y would be belonging to this range, and then y would be equal to this what was given to us as fx. देन यहाँ से आपने बस अपना x को सब्जेक्ट बना लेना है. सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग विल फाइंड इवेल्युएट. लास्ट ईयर जैसा हमने ये कराया था रेंज निकालने के लिए, बस सेम वर्किंग है. ओके, सो x वी हैव ऑब्टेन्ड एज दिस एक्सप्रेशन 2y अपॉन 1 माइनस y. ये जो x आता है, यू जस्ट नीड टू कंफर्म कि ये x आपका रेंज का, सॉरी डोमेन का, x इज फ्रॉम डोमेन. ये जो है ये डोमेन में बिलोंग करना चाहिए. दैट इज इट. ओके, सो if that belongs to the domain, then this expression so obtained is said to be the inverse of the function. So this x which is coming as this would be the inverse. ओके, 1 by 1 मैपिंग तो था ही. अभी इसमें एक ये रिकन्फर्मेशन हमें करना होता है, क्योंकि इनवर्स की डेफिनेशन क्या है, वो तो थ्योरम है कि इफ द फंक्शन इज 1, 1 एज वेल एज ऑन टू, इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट करेगा. बट इफ यू डिफाइन इनवर्स एक्चुअली, तो इनवर्स होता क्या है? इनवर्स इज अ फंक्शन whose composition with the given function gives you the identity. Okay, so इसका ये तो हमने एक्सप्रेशन इवेल्युएट कर लिया. अब हम इसका रिकन्फर्मेशन और क्रॉस चेक करेंगे कि ये इमेज इनवर्स है या नहीं है. तो उसके लिए कॉम्पोजिशन करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो वी विल फाइंड g नॉट f of x which means g of fx which means g of fx हमारा ये गिवन था. अब इसमें हम g रूल लगाएंगे, तो ये हमारा g रूल है. Okay, G I have written out here f inverse because inverse अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिखूँ वो बहुत confusion होता है. So you can use another variable to represent the inverse function G. Okay, so G means the inverse function means this definition. तो जब हमें G रूल लगाना है तो हमें ये करना है. So 2 into, अभी y की जगह, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये पूरा एक्सप्रेशन था, ये पूरा सब्स्टिट्यूट हो जाएगा. Okay, so 2 into this whole expression upon 1 minus this whole thing. Then take your LCM here, simplify, ये आपका x आ जा रहा है. Okay, so if you get g not f you have got as your identity. अभी आपको f not g भी चेक करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so now doing f not g means f of gy, and gy हमारा ये रूल था, तो ये पूरा यहाँ आ जाएगा. अब इसमें f रूल लगाओगे. f रूल क्या कह रहा था? f was this x upon x plus 2. So it would be x की जगह ये पूरा आ जाएगा. Okay, and where have I reached? Sorry, here. So x की जगह ये पूरा आ जाएगा एक्सप्रेशन, एंड अपॉन x प्लस 2. फिर इसमें भी LCM वगैरह लेके सिंप्लीफाई करो, and you end up getting the variable y. Okay, so you got f naught g naught f also gave you the identity, f naught g also gave you the identity. So that is what is the definition, that if g naught f gives you the identity as well as f naught g gives you the identity, then they are inverse of each other. So we conclude कि ये जो g function हमने बनाया यहाँ जो हमें मिला वो definitely inverse है of the given function. That is what you had to do. Okay, तो सिंपल चीज़ है, बट येस आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ये लिख के पूरा ऐसे एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग, they've given you hint in most of the question, but still I put it in writing because in question में way of writing में कुछ भी आपको लगेगा this is not important, let's skip that, but that should not happen. You need to express everything. Okay, obvious facts, but you need to express them. Okay, now consider a function from real numbers to real numbers which is given by fx is equal to 4x plus 3. Then you have to show that f is invertible and then you have to find its inverse. So that's very easy, children. Okay, to prove any function is invertible, you need to show it is a bijective. That's it. You'll have to prove that this function is 1 1 as well as on 2. वो आपने फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में किया है, ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन भी था इफ आई नॉट मिस्टेकन. Okay, so you'll take fx1 is equal to fx2, 4x1 plus 3 is equal to 4x2 plus 3, 3 cancel, 4 cancel, x1 is equal to x2, that is why 1 1 mapping. Okay, x1 x2 being two real numbers. Then again you'll say y being some real number from the codomain, then y is equal to 4x plus 3. So यहाँ से x को function बनाओगे y minus 3 y minus 3 upon 4, which is also a real number, right? Okay, so it is an onto function as well. So since it's a bijective, you would say it is invertible, and the inverse would be वही जो हमने x बनाया है वही उसका inverse हो जाता है फिर. Okay, so I have cut this short because assuming कि आप लोगों को आता है by now, you've done in your previous exercise how to prove a function bijective. So first you'll prove the function as a bijective. मैंने short में किया, आप भी ऐसे नहीं लिख दोगे, आप show करोगे. Okay, show it is 1 1, show it is onto, and then after that you would say yes it is invertible, and the inverse of the function would be ये चेंज ऑफ सब्जेक्ट करोगे यहाँ पे, टेकिंग दिस एज y, यू विल गेट x इज इक्वल टू y माइनस 3 अपॉन 4. ओके, सो y माइनस 3 अपॉन 4 वो इन्वर्स हो गया, एंड वो वेरिएबल है, चाहे आप वहाँ पे y लिखो या x लिखो, तो मैंने उसको f इन्वर्स x किया तो वो y की जगह यहाँ पे x पुट कर दिया है. ओके, आई होप दैट्स नो कन्फ्यूजन. आप y के टर्म्स में भी लिख सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट बेटर ऑफ x की आदत डालो बिकॉज एवरी फंक्शन इज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स एक्सप्रेस्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ x. Okay, and 8th question also, children, then I have left for you girls only. I'll see why. Consider this as इतना, show it is invertible, same working है, 1 1 दिखाना है, inverse is उसने वर्कआउट किया ऐसे यहीं से दिख जा रहा है, you'll put y out here, so y minus 4 under root, ये एक्सप्रेशन है. ओके, एंड येस इन एडिशन आप इसका ऑफ कोर्स चिल्ड्रन आई डिड नॉट डू दैट वर्किंग हियर ऑल्सो, f naught g and g naught f भी दिखाओगे. हाँ, you need to show that as well as I had done in question number 2. So 2 में मैंने पूरा जो एक्सप्लेन कर, नॉट 2 सॉरी 6 में जो मैंने पूरा एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है वही आपको 7th and 8th में भी करना है.